Alright guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add the Google AdSense to your website. The step-by-step to take to add the monetize your website with the Google Ads. So let's get right to it. So you want to first register your account. So you want to go to the AdSense area and register your account, and then you want to add your website to the AdSense to your AdSense account. So let's do it right now. The site here on the left side of the home page here. And let's say I want to add this website here to the AdSense. I want to add AdSense to this website here. So I'm just gonna copy the URL. So you are going to add site here at the top. So you are going to drop your URL here. And you are going to click save and continue. Then this code right there, you are going to copy this code here for your AdSense. This is the code you are going to be using to add AdSense to your website. So let's go over to my website here. So I want to add this code to my website. So you want to go to appearance and go down to theme file editor. I'm using the GeneratePress theme. So you're all my different for my own here. So you want to look for at the right side here, you want to look for header footer, header PHP. Yeah. This is the header PHP, so you want to click that. So you're going to add it after the head. So you want to give space right here. Yeah, at the header, you want to give space here and paste the link. Right click your mouse and paste the link here. So the code has been added to the head of your website. So you want to scroll down here and click update file. So now that our file has been edited successfully, so it is done. So this is the first method to do it, to add the code to your website. If you don't know how to use this method here, you may break your website. So let me show you another method that you can use to add this code into your website. So the second method that you can use is to add a plugin called header footer code management. So you want to add new plugins. So you want to go to plugins and scroll down to add new. So here at the plugin area, you want to type on this box here, you want to type header footer code manager. So here is the code, here is the plugin right there. You can use this or use this one here or this one right there. You can also use this. All of them do the same work. Okay, so you just download. I've already downloaded this one right there. So let's go over to our plugin. So you want to go to install plugins here. So we want to set it up. Here is it. We want to go to settings. So we want to add new snippet here. So you want to go to add new snippet. So you want to name the name of your snippet. So you want to name it Google Ads. And that is it. Now you scroll down. We're going to scroll down and right click your mouse and paste the link, the code here. Here is the code. So the code now is at the header of your website. So you scroll down and hit save. Now that we save our code here, so you want to go over to your Google Sites AdSense account again and hit request review. Now Google is going to give you message. It's going to message you after the website has been reviewed. So you are going to know maybe after 2-3 days later, that if your website is accepted, if not, you are going to reapply, and that is not a problem. So you are going to wait 2-3 days to get a message from Google if your website is ready to be monetized with the Google AdSense. So, and before that, let's set it up here. You want to go to set up ads down here. So here you can set up your auto placement ads. So if you set it up, Google will automatically show ad across your website. Yeah, so to do that, you just click here. So you want to activate this box right here. So if you click there, it's going to activate your auto ads. So if you like, you want to also adjust some ad placement also here. So if you like, you can go here as the ad format here and see what you can adjust here. If you like, if you want in-page ad, you can activate or deactivate it. Multiple ad, if you want multiple ad on your website, you can activate or deactivate it. Anchor ads are those ads that stick to the edge of your user's screen. So if you like, you can activate or deactivate it. Wide screen is an ad that appears on the screen rather than 1000 pixels like desktop. So if you like, you can activate or deactivate it. Site rel, so ads that stick to the side of the screen as pages scroll. So if you like, you can activate or deactivate it. When you finish all this, and then you want to scroll down here and click apply to site. And this is gonna pop up. Then you have to say save. So now your website is ready to show ad. So now if Google accepts your website, it's gonna immediately automatically show ad. It's gonna automatically place ad to your website. So no more things to do, and that's how you place ad into your website. If you want to place any Google ad, just follow the exact method that I show you right now, and you are ready to go. As you can see, on my website right here, auto ads. They have auto ads on their website, on my website. So that's how you add Google Ads into your website. So guys, if you have any question or you have anything to say about this video, drop them down below. Leave your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.